Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, as well as backup camera, multifunction steering wheel, and black fabric seats. Now moving on to the interior of the Highlander. On our door panel we have our window and mirror controls. Below that we have our brown and black two-tone door panel, fabric accents on the door panel as well. And underneath we have cup holders, storage, and our speaker. Manual adjusting seats, vehicle controls, gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel, infotainment screen with CD player, as well as backup camera. Then we have our climate controls, vehicle controls underneath, and charging outlets, two cup holders and gear selection stock, storage area in the middle here. See some of the paperwork that came with the vehicle in there. Front seats are featured in black fabric with a textured pattern in the lower portion. And above our rear view mirror we have a sunglass holder and reading lights. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our gunmetal gray Toyota alloy rims, paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, and then around to the back of the vehicle we have our Highlander and LE badging. Open up our lift gate, and inside we'll find plenty of storage room, some mats for the vehicle still in the plastic wrap, our rear 3 seats, and then our middle 60/40. Now on to the rear interior, we can see we also have our two-tone door panel, our door handle up above the window switch, as well as our speaker and storage underneath. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls. We have a 60/40 split bench with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders, and another additional rear 60/40 for a total of 8 seats in the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2018 Toyota Highlander. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos. We hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.